One of the successes of a project like Matakōkiri is having the parents come with their children, take that learning journey with them, and seeing the engagement, seeing the collaboration of our young learners, not only with themselves but of course with people within the community.
I think the best thing for me has been seeing the children just grow in their not only their tikanga but also their understanding of the world of science and just using it at home as well.
My favourite was learning new weaving skills, meeting other scientists that I've never met in my life before.
This is a start, well it was meant to be. So we went about this by shredding tamariki and then pulling the muka out of it. And so we get long strands of this. And what we did next is we just dyed them in like this. So we got some really nice colours.
For me and my whānau, it's been a lot to do with all the kids coming together. So they're not all at the same school, they're not all the same age, they're not all male or all female, so they can bounce different ideas off each other. Just saying that he can't do anything wrong, you know, he can't break anything. The support that they have, the encouragement that they get, it's going to lead down different educational paths.
We've now had over 400 tamariki from Ngāti Whakaue do these wānanga. Over 200 different whānaus from the iwi have joined in some shape or form Matakōkiri. And to see them now believing that they can look at science as an option, and their whānaus are now realising that yes, this is a pathway that our tamariki could take. So that's been just, you know, again, one of the highlights of a project like this.